How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to Syracuse Aviation, and welcome back to another airport update of Sarasota Bradenton International Airport. Today's Sarasota update is the 6th update for the month of August 2022. Compared to the previous months, there's not much or many changes, just some various gate changes, or not really changes, just some information I found out. So I'll get to those when we get to the aircraft. So with all that being said, let's get started at Gate Bravo 1. Starting off at the American Airlines section today, here at Gate Bravo 1 is an American Eagle Embraer 175. This aircraft will be heading out to Charlotte. Next up at Gate Bravo 3 is an American Airlines Boeing 737-800. This aircraft is on the turn-on flight to Dallas-Fort Worth. So I'm happy to announce that I can now start including the Breeze Airways flights from Sarasota to their various destinations taking place out of the concourse now. So this is JetBlue's gate here, Bravo 5. So Breeze and JetBlue are kind of sharing this gate for now, so hopefully the airport can get the expansion done soon, and we can have specific gates for each airline. So here at Gate Bravo 5, thankfully one of my friends was able to provide me the gate number that Breeze uses. So if this individual has a channel, I'll put a card in the video, so huge shout out to you. But this Breeze Airways Airbus A220 will be heading out to Windsor Locks. Getting into the Allegiant operations now. Man, this looks so nice right here. Oh wow, that looks really awesome, especially with the breeze in the background. That kind of makes the whole thing. So Allegiant actually is operating out of 3 gates currently at Sarasota, which is really awesome to see. With their large presence here, they're, I guess, in need of that many gates. So they have Bravo 7, 9, and 11. I don't have an Allegiant aircraft to occupy Gate 11, unfortunately, so hopefully, if I can't get another Panda models, I'll just go for NG. If they can ever do an Allegiant plane, that would be awesome. So, starting at Gate Bravo 7 is the Allegiant A320 with Sharklets. Once again at Gate Bravo 7, this aircraft will be heading out to Louisville. Just a quick little intermission here, real quick for you guys. We just had a rainstorm pass through, and now the skies have kind of opened back up, so we're left with this nice little sunset going on. It's not the nicest sunset I've seen, but I just wasn't really expecting this, so it's not as good over here, but kind of over this way. It's starting to look a bit nicer, so pretty cool there. And next up, our final Allegiant aircraft here at Gate Bravo 9 is the Allegiant A319 in the new livery. This aircraft will be heading out to Indianapolis today. Bravo 11, as I said, is empty. Currently taxiing out for departure from Gate Bravo 5 after the Breeze A220 waited for it to clear the way is the JetBlue Airbus A320 in the Spotlight tail. This aircraft will be heading out to New York JFK. And next up at Gate Bravo 12 is the Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-800 in the Heart livery with splits. This aircraft will be heading out to Houston. And next to that at Gate Bravo 10 is a Southwest 737-700 in the Canyon Blue livery, also with splits, and this aircraft will be heading out to Baltimore. Bravo 8 is currently empty. Next up at Gate Bravo 6 is a Delta 757-200 without winglets. This aircraft will be heading out to Atlanta. And next to him is kind of the same flight to Atlanta with another Delta 757-200 here at Gate Bravo 4. So once again, heading out to Atlanta, we have November 703 Tango Whiskey. 703 Tango Whiskey, I believe, is one of their Transcon configured aircraft, so the typically Sarasota to Atlanta isn't the kind of flight that this particular aircraft would operate, but it's still a Delta 757, and I really like them, and especially, as you guys may know, I kind of have a little thing for 703 Tango Whiskey, so I like to include it whenever it's applicable. So there we have it at Gate Bravo 4, once again heading out to Atlanta. So yes, as you guys may remember from previous updates, Delta has absolutely been killing it with the Atlanta service to Sarasota, having 757 flights multiple times a day out of Gate Bravo 4 and 6. It's just really awesome to see that. So the only other Delta flight currently, I believe, is New York LaGuardia, which for the most part I think is actually entirely operated on the Airbus A220-100. So hopefully Gemini can re-release that. I would get the one that's currently, or any of the ones that have been released. It's just not the best mold. So if they can do a similar mold to what they did with the Breeze A220 and they do a Delta one, I'll definitely try and pick one up. Unless NG does something, you never know. If they do an A220, then that would be really nice to get that as well. So we'll have to see what the future holds as far as aircraft manufacturers go. So nice to see Delta services here to Atlanta and LaGuardia. And the last aircraft for today's Sarasota update here at Gate Bravo 2 is the Frontier Airlines Airbus A320 with sharklets in the Griswold Bear livery. This aircraft will be heading out to Philadelphia. I did order the Frontier A320, or I pre-ordered the Frontier A320 Neo from Gemini Jets in the Poppy the Prairie Dog livery, so that's going to be really nice to have here for some variation and some rotation. So I'm excited for that to come in. Hopefully they don't screw up the tail, because that's like the most important part. So it's going to be nice to have a A320 Neo here. I'm not going to completely give up on Griswold Bear livery, because it's just a nice plane. So yeah, I'm excited for that to get in here whenever it comes in. Definitely will be including that. So very excited for that to arrive, and looking forward for that to kind of spice up the updates a little bit. So looking decent here for Frontier, just Philadelphia, and I think maybe a couple other destinations. Just Philadelphia is the most popular for them at the current time. So hopefully they expand more here. It's been very slow with Frontier, so it's just kind of one of those things you can't really do much about. You just have to hope for the best. So yeah, that is the update of Sarasota for August 2022. I suppose I'll just give you guys one final look at the concourse here, along with the JetBlue A320. So I'm really excited to get a third Allegiant plane, because imagine this whole corner being just a trio of Allegiant Airbus. That would just be so sick. I mean, the two look great, but just another one there at Gate Bravo 11. Man, that would just look so nice. And then, of course, the Breeze American southwest corner, and the Delta and Frontier as well. So that will conclude today's Sarasota update. Once again, the 6th update of Sarasota for August 2022. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.